Okay, so in this video, I'm just gonna review how to do image trace. Remember, you wanna start with a photograph. If you can start with a photograph where your subject is very clear, right, and there's not a lot of distractions in the background, that's gonna help you. So let's say for my travel poster, I know that I want a parrot on it somewhere in the foreground. So I'm gonna go ahead and first open this in Photoshop, even though I'm gonna move to Illustrator. I'm gonna use some of my tools in Photoshop. I'm gonna use C, the crop tool. I'm gonna crop this. So that way it's just this one. I only want this one bird. Okay, I'm gonna crop that. And then I'll use object selection. Or I could go, honestly, I could probably go straight to Illustrator. But I'll just go ahead and use object selection. So I'm gonna click and hold, use object selection. See if I can get Photoshop to cut this out for me. Oop, hopefully I didn't crash my computer. Might have. Okay, it's thinking. Okay, select subject. Let's see if it can do it. Okay, great. It selected it. So I'm going to go ahead and hit copy, Control C, and then I'm going to hop on over to Illustrator. All right, I like to work outside of my artboard, like somewhere on the side. So where's my artboard? Somewhere over here. So I'm just going to paste it. Control V as paste. Oh, hold on, it didn't paste. Let me go back to Photoshop. Where did my Photoshop go? All right, let's try this again. Control C for copy. Let me go back to Illustrator. And Control V to paste. There we go. Okay, so there is my parrot that I want to do the image trace. So I'm going to go ahead and open the image trace. Window, image trace. And again, you don't have to do that extra step in Photoshop. It can just make it easy because then you don't have to deal with the other stuff in the picture. Okay, I didn't have to deal with that bird, the other bird sitting on the branch. All right, so I'm going to open my image trace panel. When you open it, it probably will look collapsed like so. You need to click the advanced panel. I'm sorry, the advanced little triangle next to that to open up. Okay, I can go ahead and choose my settings. What mode do I want? Black and white. And then make sure you hit the preview. Otherwise, you cannot see it. Okay, you can't see it right now until you hit the preview. All right, that's looking okay. But how do I get rid of this white? I need to click the ignore color. So I'm going to click on this. And there we go. Boom. The white drops out. Okay. I can use my threshold sliders. So if I want to go for more of a... Actually, let me show you. Maybe I want to make this like a two-tone thing. So actually, let me just alt drag. All right. Or maybe I'll do 3 different colors for this one parrot. All right. So for this one... I'm going to knock my threshold up just to go completely like a silhouette. Okay, I'm happy with that. And I'm going to say, I can mess with my paths, my corners, so on and so forth. I'm happy, I like it, so I'm going to hit expand. Now this is a vector. Okay, I can colorize it. Maybe I'll go for this light color here. All right, this one I have another copy. All I did was alt drag. Maybe this one I'm going to get like some other details. Okay, maybe I want to do like a slightly different shade. Whoop, I need to expand it, and now I can do a different shade, and I could put these here together. Right click, arrange, bring to front. Okay, and very easily, I now have this two-toned parrot that I could use in my project. Okay, super easy, again with the image trace. So I copy and paste it in, I open window, image trace. Okay, make sure you hit the advanced panel. Okay, I have another copy here if there's something else I want to do with it. Okay, advanced. Let me go even lower on my threshold. Maybe I want like a 3rd color here. Expand. Let me go for, sure. Okay, and I can add some other details. Right click, arrange, bring to front. Okay, if I wanted to. So on and so forth. That's a little bit too dark. I'm going to go ahead and drop that opacity down. And there we go. Now I have 3 different shades on here. Okay, so that's the image trace. Very easy to use to add some elements. So maybe like a palm tree, a beach umbrella in the front, so on and so forth. I will post that for you.